Welcome the R channel. Today we how to log into RE MAX Excalibur, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for RE MAX Excalibur's login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now be directed to the login form. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check to ensure both entries are correct. If you would like to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once you have completed these fields, click the Sign In button. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your RE MAX Excalibur dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. After that, attempt to log in again. If you still face problems, contact RE MAX Excalibur support for assistance. You are now ready to navigate your account and explore the features available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.